What's the meaning of bird of prey? Bird of prey. Bird of prey.
Bird of prey. Bird of prey. The term bird of prey is a commonly used phrase to refer to a group of predatory birds that are known for their exceptional hunting skills and ferociousness. Birds of prey are characterized by their sharp talons, hooked beaks, and keen eyesight, which they use to catch and kill their prey. Falcons, eagles, hawks, and owls are some of the most well-known examples of birds of prey. These majestic creatures play a vital role in maintaining ecological balance as they help control populations of smaller animals. Their impressive aerial acrobatics and predatory instincts have fascinated humans for centuries, making them a ubiquitous symbol of power, strength, and freedom.